Okay, in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to add your pages to your menu using Mighty Sites. Super quick, simple, and easy. Okay, so here's my new site, and I'm going to first go in here and I'm going to add a page to my site, and let's call this landscaping services. Okay, so I'm going to add this new page, and then what I can do is I can click on this little button here. So in add a new page, I can click on landscaping services to go to that page to edit it. And by default, it's going to take me to that interior page. But what you need to do is add it to your menu here so customers can get to it. So I'm going to update section. I'm going to update menu, and then I'm going to click right here and say landscaping. And then I'm going to choose the link, my website, scroll down. It'll now appear right here at the bottom, confirm. Click on add it to menu, and then I'm going to move it up here right next to lawn mowing services, save my menu, and now that's going to refresh, and now you can see I've got my landscaping page there that I can go to edit it. All right, now the other thing you may want to do is add a home page here to your menu. So I'm going to activate editing mode, go to update section, update menu. I'm going to put here home, choose a link, my website, home header banner section, confirm, add to menu. I'm going to make that the first menu item, save my menu updates. And now you can see I've got a home button here that'll take me back to the main home page. I've got my about, which brings me to that about section. I've got my lawn mowing page that I can showcase with my videos. And then I've got my landscaping page, which I haven't built yet, but that's how you add more interior pages to your Mighty Sites website. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, click on the link and try Mighty Sites for free. See if it works for your small business. We'll catch you in the next video.